Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the Orana market, but I'm waiting for these girls here. We're going to go and find some stuff to take back home because there's some orders that's come through. I'm still waiting for, she's already ready, now it's the other one. Hey, yep, Orana market, our last market of our visit here. We only had one Orana market. So, yeah, we only got the two, so this is the second one. Hey, Savannah? Yeah, so I thought we were going to go with Elvis, but when I said, come on, get ready, he goes, do I have to come? I don't want to come. Can I just stay home?
No, he doesn't want to come for once.
Yeah.
Usually he's like, oh, can I come?
The only time he said that he'll come with us when I said we were going to go to the falafel hut. Then he said, I'm coming. But now we're going to the market, he doesn't even want to go. Probably just doesn't want all the walking around, I guess.
Walking around and make his asthma play up.
Yeah.
At least with the falafel hut. So they're gonna walk
The
out.
falafel hut, just out of the car, go sit down.
Get a bit.
But at the market, all the walking around. Oh well. Our last market. On Sunday over here, there's some people selling their fish along the side of the road. It's mostly tuna, you see. Oh, there was one man that had red fish. Yeah, so.
Is Dad not gonna go see his sister?
Oh yeah, tomorrow. Today is his, their Sabbath, so we don't want to bother them with that. And he's been looking after his cough, so he doesn't take his sickness over there to his sister and brother-in-law. So yeah, tomorrow, God willing, we're gonna go and see them. What's happening? It might be church, might be a funeral.
Oh yeah, it is church.
Might be a funeral or something.
There was a thing on last night.
Oh, watch out.
So,
Hey, wait. I thought he was gonna stop then. He just remembered something like, did I bring my phone? Oh, and a trailer to go behind.
Where are your boys that run?
See you later, alligator.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
So clean.
Oh, plastic. Oi.
Vodka.
Ooh, what was it?
It was a glass bottle.
Oh. Did it roll out?
You should have seen his face too. He was like, oh.
Did it roll out to us?
He went to go throw it in the cage and it bounced out and bounced
Oh.
I'm surprised it didn't
Well,
smash.
lucky you're Statsky and Hart's driver.
Imagine if someone else was on the other side, yes. Skursky and Crash. Yeah, we've not done that, but still. Right now.
Yellow taxis on the island. There's yellow and green taxis.
I was gonna say the green, I know, but.
I think I was seeing a black one as well.
Black.
Yeah.
Mum, you know when we were driving at the back of the car?
Yeah.
The only fun bit was when we were going downhill.
Hey,
that was
scary.
that was so fun.
Are they waiting for the bus?
Probably.
Oh, Club Raro. There must be a lot of people in town. This is a nice day. Everyone's going to the market.
Thanks, Crunchy, for today. And I think this one is my birthday one and the Valentine's one as well. The one from our East. I just wanted to kind of let you guys know about my day and stuff because I haven't started doing that.
Dancing girls in front of us.
I think the guys that were going on. He's the one that's too heavy for his show. is everyone going that way?
I don't know.
Should I park on the other side, Mom?
Huh? Raw fish. Oh. Is this a little pancake you guys bought me for, eh? Oh, yeah. Oh, he's so cool. Oh, there's a performance today. Over there on the stage. Yeah, because it was raining last time. Hello. How are you doing? How's your week been? Busy. Wednesday.
She's the one that makes it, so she can tell me if
Oh, she makes it from home. So nice. You come back with your beautiful stuff. Thank you. Mushroom sauce and hot chips. Don't ask the guy if he's gonna afford each. Oh. Dinner up here, guys. Steak, guys. Take a bite. Oh. The steak is too long.
Dang, you're sweating, sister.
Look how big they are.
Oh, yeah.
It's cheese and onion. Guys, I went over to the little store thing over there. I'll show you to their store. And they're selling drinks over there. Look. Okay. So I went over and bought Elvis a couple of drinks. I got this drink. It's mango and passion fruit. It's a uto drink. This one, uto drink. You know the marshmallow inside the coconut? Yeah, that. And mango and passion fruit. So, copyright. I'm gonna get the stir fry, and it's got prawns in it. Yeah, well, get the combination. Then you get a bit of each. There's a little queue, not a lot. Ooh, and rice. Okay, see you later. I got the chicken and prawn noodles.
The fried noodles?
Yes. Take a bite, guys. The one with the meat on it. Yeah. That's really nice. And the meat's tender. No, it's bigger than chicken.
Huh?
Guys, I went and bought a little bundle of bananas, $5. But it's in Samoa, it's called, you know, suka or baka. Might as well say bread too. But anyway, they called this in Samoa baka.
I think we're gonna go to the
I think sugar. I think. Anyway, so I got it for $5, and the nice lady gave me an extra free. And now I'm peeling one so I can enjoy it. And look how thin the skin is. Take a bite, guys. Very
That's
sweet.
thick, look at it.
Very sweet too.
Sama.
It's good for pancakes, you know, round pancakes.
Sama.
Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys.
Sama. Okay, you're done. You're done.
Ele faz isso, Maria. Mangkoi Samoa.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
guys.